Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Exterior of a modern, dark gray concrete garden room, impressionistic, hyperrealistic. Dark gray concrete patio with paving stones, garden path, and low hedges. Dense greenery surrounds the structure, dark foliage. Warm, ambient lighting from lanterns and interior light, highlighting the space. Stone wall with fire pit, plants, and potted greenery. Dark gray concrete roof structure, with glass panels and sleek design. Black outdoor furniture, including a dining set. Warm earthen tones in the landscaping and interior lighting, with pops of green plants. Detailed textures of the concrete, foliage, and stone. Focus on creating a sense of serene relaxation and harmony with nature. A garden pergola, vibrant flowers, deep reds, oranges, pinks, and yellows, lush green foliage, wooden pergola with intricate latticework, hanging flower baskets brimming with blooms, stone pathway meandering through the garden, red-brown terracotta pots, partial view of a building with red facade, impressionist style soft light, detailed garden design, outdoor setting with a peaceful atmosphere, slightly hazy background, sunny day, clouds in the sky, well-maintained garden. Multiple flower varieties, focus on the pergola and pathway. Impressionistic, rustic wooden bench in a sun-drenched garden path, overgrown with vibrant pink and peach roses, lavender, and other flowering shrubs, gravel path with scattered rose petals, terracotta pots, aged wooden planks, warm light filtering through the foliage, shallow depth of field, soft focus, detailed textures on wood and plants, natural garden setting, warm earthy tones, high contrast shadows, outdoor scene, calm ambience, detailed foliage, selective focus on bench and foreground, detailed flowers, artistic garden, garden path leading to a building, wooden bench with rustic charm, detailed textures of wood and plants. Detailed close-up view of a vertical garden, hyper-realistic, dark gray wooden wall with rectangular planters, filled with various plants and flowers, vibrant colors including pinks, reds, oranges, yellows, greens, and purples, ivy, trailing plants, succulents, and leafy foliage in the planters. Arrangement is structured and symmetrical, natural lighting, top-down view. Focus on the detailed textures of the plants and wood, impressionistic elements of light and shadow within the scene, minimal visible gaps between the planters. Planters create a grid-like pattern on the wall. Plants fill the planters to create a lush effect, realistic shadows cast by the plants. A A garden scene, raised wooden garden beds filled with various colorful flowers and vegetables, a glass greenhouse with a wooden frame, bright pops of orange, yellow, and red flowers, lush green foliage, wood paneling on the greenhouse, a shadowed area with some gravel pathways, trees and bushes in the background, soft natural lighting, impressionistic details, garden aesthetic, cozy backyard setting, depth of field, a little bit of bouquet, wooden planters, small garden tools. Gravel walkways between the beds, grass areas, realistic textures of leaves and plants, warm colors of the setting sun. Vibrant garden path, mosaic tiles in a variety of colors, blue, orange, yellow, red, purple, and green, leading through a lush, colorful flower garden, pots filled with various flowers in bright hues, impressionistic style, large ceramic pots in blue, teal, and terracotta, detailed plant leaves, soft lighting, peaceful, warm, outdoor setting, perspective looking down the path, shallow depth of field. Focus on the path and flowers immediately in front, slightly blurred background. Detailed textures, high resolution. A impressionistic, outdoor patio, whimsical, cream-colored woven hammock hanging, terracotta pots with plants, cream-colored daybed, cream/beige patterned rug, rustic stone walls, lush green foliage, hanging planters with orange fruit, verdant vines draping over the patio roof, warm sunlight, soft shadows, Mediterranean style, detailed textures, comfortable seating area, peaceful atmosphere, garden setting, boho chic aesthetic, detailed plants, bright but not harsh lighting. Old world charm. A impressionist garden pergola, wooden pergola with dark brown beams, overgrown green vines, natural stone gravel patio, comfortable wicker seating with throw pillows in neutral colors, decorative wooden carvings, various potted plants and flowers in warm terracotta, orange, and yellow tones, lush greenery and foliage surrounding the patio, sunlight filtering through the leaves, peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. Detailed textures, rustic charm, Asian garden style, depth of field. Shallow focus on the seating area. A lush tropical garden, circular water feature, cascading waterfall, gray stone, stone planters, round stone basin, flowing water, gray and light taupe sculptural seating, soft cushions in gray and taupe, variety of plants and foliage including dark green leaves, purple flowers, impressionistic lighting, natural light, detailed textures, well manicured, peaceful atmosphere, mid-size waterfall. Focus on the water feature and seating, high-quality image, ArtStation quality. A impressionistic lush garden patio, wooden pergola with dark brown beams, covered with climbing vines, stone-paved walkways, pebble areas, low stone walls, potted plants with pink and red flowers, comfortable seating area with soft furnishings under the pergola, trees and greenery surrounding the patio, dappled sunlight, warm neutral colors, detailed textures, shallow depth of field, outdoor kitchen or dining area, tropical garden feel, realistic plants and foliage, well-maintained. Landscaping, mid-afternoon sunlight, photorealistic lighting. A garden path, lush overgrown garden, vibrant flowers in shades of orange, purple, and blue, stone pathway, a three-tier black fountain in the middle, water cascading from the fountain, lots of green foliage, well-maintained garden beds, impressionistic, detailed, outdoor scene, bright sunlight, natural lighting, peaceful atmosphere, shallow depth of field, focus on the fountain and flowers, high resolution.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4 Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.